In this video we'll show you how we can use the surfacing command within version 15 MillPro Plus. So this is the model that we have. So if we go into milling, advanced machining, and we'll choose the tool we want to use, which will be a ball nose tool, and then the calculations will be based on surfaces. We'll choose parallel cuts, select the drive surfaces, so move the mouse over the model and it'll highlight the surfaces, so click on the ones you want. If you want multiple surfaces, hold down the control key at the same time. And then we just set the step over here. Okay, so that's machined the surfaces that we've selected. You'll notice that it's retracted out to the clearance plane between each cut. To avoid that, if we go back into the machining operation and go to the link tab, what we want to do is change this option here. Large gaps retract to clearance area will have a direct move, and the same here. Okay, so now we can see that the tool has moved between the different cuts directly without retracting. Okay, so that's the first machining operation using surfaces.